This method I'm going to show you today only needs you to be watching YouTube videos and copy and pasting link. It's that simple. It can be done from anywhere in the world, and even a complete beginner can get started today. Let's get straight into this step-by-step tutorial. Make sure to follow along as I go through each stage of this method. Firstly, we need to come over to YouTube and we need to get searching our niche that we're going to be using. This can be done in most different categories, mainly anything that you watch already. For example, say you watch a lot of sport videos, then you could do it based around that. Or if you watch animal videos, then you could also do this method with those too. However, for this example today, I'm going to be using gaming as the niche because they get millions of views on their videos daily, which is exactly what we need to make our money. If you are looking for a niche to pick, most will work. Just make sure it's very popular worldwide and not just interesting to you. Like I said, gaming is an extremely good one to pick. One main game at the moment is Fortnite. This gets thousands of views, as well as a lot of people are talking about it at the same time. So if we search for Fortnite, now we have this page open on YouTube. I want you to come over to a different website called Shrink Me. This is the website that's then going to pay us. You'll need to sign up to a free account in the top right hand corner. Then once you've registered, we can then move on to the next step. Shrink Me is basically a URL shortener. You take a link, get it shortened, and then get views onto that link to make your money. How you get views, however, is the other part of this method, so stick around to see how you can get thousands each and every day. Like I said, this is a completely free tool to use. All you then need is visits to your link to make money. There's no length of time that that person has to be on that link. All you have to do is get them to click and then you get paid. As well as this, they have detailed stats as well that analyze all your links, which also tells you more about your audience and what strategies you could take to make the most amount of income possible. They also have one of the highest, if not the highest rates for this type of tool out there. Right, so once you've signed up, let's head into the main dashboard to see what it looks like. Here you have all the relevant information needed when making money with Shrink Me. This is the total views, which is our main metric for how much we make. Then to the right of that is our total earnings. We also have referral earnings as well, which is for if we are referring someone to the service and they also make money, we will then make 20% off theirs too. This could also be another great way to make even more money. Also, they have an easy to withdraw button here, which you can use as long as you have made $5, which isn't even that much anyway. Then you can take your money out using PayPal, bank transfer, or however you want to take it out. Now, the reason why we're using Fortnite as an example and not a low view niche is because of the pure number of views these videos get within hours of posting. This video was posted only 8 hours ago and already over 100,000 views, which is exactly what we want. So for our next step, we want to find a couple of different videos and watch it to make sure it's good content and then copy that link. So this is the part where you get to watch some of these videos now. So go through some of these, sit back, relax, but don't get too carried away and watch for hours, however. So say we use this one here, get through the whole video, make sure you like it yourself. Once you've done that, I can now show you how you're going to make money using this video. We now need to copy the link of this video, come back over to Shrink Me, find this button in the top left hand corner that says new shorten link. Once you click that, this pop-up will appear. And you're going to put your URL in here. Once you've done that, press shorten. Then underneath here is your link that when anyone clicks on, you'll make money. Make sure you're using this link here for the next few steps in this method and not just the main URL. Otherwise, you won't be accredited for any link clicks at all. So either keep this tab open with that link there or copy and paste it for our next step. We now need to come over to PC Gamer Forum. This is what we're then going to utilize for us to get more views than just watching it ourselves. This is how we can start making money on autopilot and start getting payouts like this every single day. Now in PC Gamer, I want you to search for the keyword that we've chosen. For our example, we're obviously using Fortnite, but you're going to have to search for whatever one you picked. So these are all topics that are being posted about Fortnite. So now what we need to do to post on that website is find something trending about the game at the time of making the post. This will then create a bit of traction with good headlines, making people want to read your post, which will then have people leading to your link embedded in it for them to then click on for more information and then be able to watch the video. So a great way to do this is search for your niche and then news. This is then going to bring up all the main things that are currently happening within the game. You can use trending topics to jump on to increase the views. You'll then need to keep this updated with new posts and new information each time something else comes up about the game. Obviously, make sure the video and the news link up nicely so more people would actually want to watch the video after reading your post. So for example, this video here is about Fortnite Season 3. So if we then use something out of this article here that says additional teasers for Season 3 and wrote our post around that, we could then link those two videos together. This would then increase your clicks and increase your income. This method can be done on multiple different forums with multiple different posts, so get as many variations out there as you can to make the most amount of money that you can. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for future money making methods.